Milky Way, the signal at the edge of the universe. In the year 2147, humanity achieved something it had dreamed of for centuries. We built the most powerful deep space observatory ever created. It wasn't placed on Earth or even in orbit around it. Instead, it drifted far beyond Pluto, in the silent darkness where the sun was nothing more than a bright star among billions. The observatory was called Horizon. Its mission was simple: look deeper than ever before, further than any telescope in history, to the edge of the observable universe. For months, Horizon sent back breathtaking images: newborn stars, collapsing galaxies, distant quasars burning brighter than entire star systems. Scientists celebrated. Humanity watched in awe. Then, one night, everything changed. At 3:17 Universal Time Coordinated, Horizon detected a narrow-band radio signal coming from a region of space previously mapped as empty. No stars, no planets, no known cosmic phenomena, just darkness. At first, engineers assumed it was interference, a glitch, cosmic radiation. But it wasn't random. The signal repeated. 3 pulses, a pause, 3 pulses again. Perfect timing, perfect rhythm. The probability of it being natural was nearly zero. Within hours, observatories around the world were pointed at the same coordinates. The signal was real. It wasn't local interference. It was coming from deep space, over 12 billion light years away, which made no sense. Nothing that far away should be able to send a detectable signal. The universe back then was young, primitive, barely formed, yet something was transmitting. For weeks, scientists analyzed the pattern. They fed it into quantum computers. AI systems searched for hidden meaning. Linguists, mathematicians, physicists, everyone tried to decode it. Then someone noticed something strange. The interval between repetitions wasn't random. It was counting down. Every 17 hours, the pause between the pulses shortened by a precise fraction of a second. It was a countdown. The news leaked. Global panic followed. Governments denied extraterrestrial origins. Religious leaders called it a test. Conspiracy theories exploded online. Markets crashed. Emergency summits were held in secret. But Horizon kept watching. As the countdown approached its final hours, the signal changed. The pulses became stronger, clearer. Then came the final transmission. Not pulses, data, a massive stream of compressed information. It took the world's most powerful quantum processors nearly 12 hours to decode it. When they did, the room fell silent. It wasn't a weapon design. It wasn't coordinates. It wasn't even a warning. It was a map, a three-dimensional map of the Milky Way galaxy. Every star precisely marked, every known exoplanet identified, and then something humanity had never seen before. Tiny points of light scattered across the galaxy, thousands of them, each one blinking, active, and then they noticed something else. One of the blinking lights was Earth, highlighted, tracked, observed. Beneath the map was a short message, encoded in mathematical constants, the universal language of intelligence. It translated to just 4 words. Civilization detected, under observation. No threats, no promises, just a statement. Humanity realized something terrifying. The signal wasn't sent from 12 billion light years away. It only appeared to be. The coordinates were falsified, deliberately distorted by gravitational lensing manipulation far beyond human capability. The source was much closer, inside our galaxy, watching, waiting, and we had just confirmed our presence. In the days that followed, telescopes searched desperately for artificial structures, Dyson spheres, unusual star dimming, energy signatures. Nothing obvious appeared, which made it worse, because it meant they were advanced enough to hide. Years passed. The signal never returned. But something else did. Subtle anomalies in deep space. Stars dimming in patterns too precise to be natural. Strange bursts of energy in interstellar space. And once, just once, a new signal appeared. Only for 1 second. Too fast to decode, but long enough for Horizon to record one final image embedded inside it. a structure, massive beyond imagination, encircling a distant star, and carved into its surface, visible even across light years. A symbol, a circle, with a single small dot inside it, the symbol for an eye. Humanity no longer asks if we are alone. Now we ask something far more unsettling. How long have they been watching? And are we ready for them to stop?